What is control valve?
A control valve is a critical component in industrial automation and process control systems.
It regulates the flow of fluids, liquids, gases, or steam by varying the size of the flow passage based on signals received from a controller. Control valves are essential for maintaining process variables such as pressure, temperature, and flow rate within desired limits, ensuring efficient and safe operation.
Control valves typically consist of three main parts.
1. Valve body, the main structure where fluid flows through. 2. Is actuator, provides the force to move the valve stem and plug.
3 is positioner, ensures the valve reaches the correct position based on the control signal.
Types of control valves: 1. Globe valve, 2. Ball valve, 3. Butterfly valve, 4. Gate valve, 5. Diaphragm valve, 6. Plug valve, 7. Pressure relief valve, 8. Needle valve.
Globe valve, designed for precise flow control, common in applications requiring throttling and flow regulation. Ball valve uses a rotating ball with a hole to control flow, ideal for quick shut-off and on or off control.
Butterfly valve features a rotating disc to regulate flow, suitable for large volume, low pressure applications.
Gate valve primarily used for on or off control, not for flow regulation, best for systems that need full flow or no flow.
Diaphragm valve uses a flexible diaphragm to control flow, ideal for corrosive or slurry media.
Plug valve, similar to ball valves but uses a tapered plug for flow control, best for systems that need quick shut-off.
Pressure relief valve protects systems by releasing excess pressure, critical for safety in high-pressure environments.
Allows precise flow control with fine adjustments, common in laboratory and small-scale applications.
Parts of a control valve and their functions. Valve body function, the main structure of the valve that contains all internal components designed to
comes in different shapes: globe, ball, butterfly, depending.
Actuator function provides the force to move the valve plug, disc, or types: pneumatic actuator, powered by compressed air; electric actuator, powered.
Valve stem function connects the actuator to the internal plug or disc.
Material: stainless steel for strength and corrosion resistant. Valve plug disc ball function, the movable part that regulates fluid flow inside the valve, moves towards or away from the valve seat to Type examples: plug for globe valves, disc for
Positioner function receives control signals and ensures the actuator moves the valve to the correct position, improves accuracy and responsiveness of the valve.
Types: pneumatic, electro-pneumatic, and digital. Bonnet function, a cover on top of the valve body that houses the stem and seals, provides structural support. Material, same as the valve body, for strength and compatibility.
Handwheel or manual override function allows manual operation of the valve in case of actuator failure.
Used for maintenance or emergency shutdown. Type: handwheel or lever. These components work together to ensure precise and reliable control of fluid flow in industrial processes. Let me know if you'd like any images of these parts or further explanations. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Factory Flow for more industrial automation insights. Your support keeps us creating great content.